Hello everyone, hope everyone are doing good. This is Chandana and in today's session we are going to learn on how to export data in SugarCRM through list view and reports. Firstly, let us understand what is exporting. There may be times in which users will want to access, review or manipulate information from the Sugar database in other format outside of Sugar. To facilitate this process, users have an option to export the data from Sugar. Upon exporting data from Sugar, a CSV, that is comma separated value format file, will be downloaded to the user's computer. This file can be reviewed in Microsoft Excel, Notepad or other spreadsheet tools and text editors. Now let us try to understand what is the use of exporting through list view. When exporting this way, the downloaded file contains every field from the database within the given module for the specified record or records. This export will not include any information from the records which are associated via relationship to this module. This export method is most useful when performing a type of data migration needing an excess of detail or performing a comprehensive import and update of the data. Now let us try to export data through list view. Let's navigate to any of the module of your choice. I'll navigate to accounts module. And this is the list view of the accounts, and here when you click on Mars Select, you can select all the records that are present in this page. If you want to select all the records that are present in the accounts module, just click on select all records that is present here. By default you can select up to 1000 records and export. If you want to select more than 1000 records, you have to do it in batches. You can also apply filter and then export the data. I'll try applying filter. So I'll apply with my accounts. So here I have applied a filter called as my account. So all the accounts that are created by me are being displayed. I'll click on Mass Select and then I'll click on Actions menu and then I'll click on Export button. Now the accounts, all the selected records are being exported in a CSV format. Now let's open the CSV format and see how it's being generated. We can see all the data with all the fields are being generated that we selected. All the records that we selected are being replicated in the CSV file. This is how CSV file looks. Now let us see how to export data from reports. So in addition to exporting from a list view, users also have the option to export data from a report, because report allow you to select the specific fields you would like to see. Users can narrow down what they see on the export file and filter the module data however they would like. The advantage of using report is that users will only be represented with the data they need and no excess data. In addition, users can also export data from a related module using reports, which is not possible when exporting from modules list view. Let's see how to export a report. Let's go to reports module. This is the list view of the reports module. Here you can select an existing reports from the reports module list view or create a new one based on the information that you would like to export according to your choice. Now I'll export an existing report. So I have July month calls report, which is a rows and column report. I'll open the detailed view of this report. Here we can see the detailed view of this report. On the right hand side, we have Actions button. Just click on the Actions button and then click on Export button. Here you can export it in two ways, that is through PDF and through CSV. I'll export it to CSV format. A CSV file is being downloaded in my system. Let's open the CSV file and see how the data looks. We can see the data is more precise compared to the data we exported through list view. Here The only information that is mentioned by the user or the report that is already being created by the user, very precise information is there. The only fields or the necessary fields are being represented in this file. Here also the user can read and manipulate when exporting from a report. The data is more well-rounded for a user to review. User is able to use module related reports, and this makes the report more useful in a business sense for an individual user. We can see the difference between the report that is being generated from list view and the report that is being generated through reports module. Whereas in reports module, the data is very precise and less complex, whereas the data that was generated through list view is more complex, and all the fields, including necessary and unnecessary fields, are there, which makes the user to review the data. It makes very hard to review the data for the user, whereas this makes the user easy to review the data and manipulate and update the data as required. Hope this video was useful. Thank you.